All right, so hello, boys and girls. I just wanted to talk, a little bit about the schedule, okay, and new course outline. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't. I don't know why. I have a problem with my computer, but I couldn't redo another course outline with the Word document that I've already sent. But it doesn't matter, okay. So I decided to create a PowerPoint just to let you know what the schedule is, okay. So before I talk about the schedule, I just want to talk about evaluations. I told you last week or 2 weeks ago, I don't exactly remember when, that I decided to remove the oral competency. So I'm not going to count the oral that you did as an evaluation. It doesn't count. Okay, I'm going to remove it from this. This means that we're only going to have written production as an evaluation this semester. So we have oral presentation number 2, which we were supposed to do, were 10%. The final oral presentation, which we were supposed to do, were 20%. So what I decided to do, instead of having this 30%, I decided to have to replace this with 3 homework texts, 2 of which we have already done. So homework text number 1, the one that we did for week 7 about body paragraph, were 10%. Homework text number 2, the one you did 2 weeks ago about the introduction, were 10%. And then last one that is due next Monday, it's intro plus body paragraph. I'm going to talk about this in another clip, were 10%. So we have 10, 10, 10. So this counts for 30%. It replaces these evaluations, plus the final written production were 20%. So this week, it's week 9, April 27th. So this is what we did, we're going to do, or this is what we did. Course outline proposal, elements of a source. I'm going to talk about this, structure of an essay, homework text number 3. This here, it's worth 10%, and it's due next week. Okay. After that, next week, week 10, May 4th, we're going to do a little bit of grammar. We're going to talk about compound and complex sentences. Uh, on, sorry, I have a problem with my computer. I'm not too sure why. On week 11, May 11, I'm going to provide feedbacks on written productions and instructions for the final written production. So we're going to talk about the final written production here. And on May 18th, week 12, we're going to have the final written production worth 20%. Sounds good? So this is the new schedule until the end of the semester.